Okay guys, so I got a bonus. I'm only betting $5 because it seems like everybody around me is betting $5 or less and are hitting. So I've been playing $5 and I hit a bonus. I put $200 in. That's $500 right there. Let's see what else I can get on a $5 bet. My major has been $10,000 forever, it seems like. I'm not saying it hasn't been hit, but it might have been hit and then it just went back to 10,000 because that's how long it's been 10,000. So let's see what else I can get here on a $5 bet. Okay. Fill it up. That grand's high too. Ooh, 2 more. I'm trying not to hit it. Oh, not bad. $610. That's not bad for a $5 bet. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next bonus. Okay guys, so I got another bonus. Let's see what else we can get. Get 10 free spins. Come on. Oh, that would have been nice. Wow. Not good so far. Hopefully it turns around. Nope. $11.10. Alright guys, I will see you at the next bonus. Welcome back, guys. We did 3 spins and I got the bonus again. Let's see what else we can get. Jump that major. The major's high. It's been 10,000 for a long time. Popping them down. Fill the screen. Come on. One more. I'll have another coffee, please. Thank you. $130. It's better than the last bonus. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next one. Okay guys, got another bonus. Here we go. I'm on $25 bet. Let's see what it gives us. We get 10 free spins. That's pretty good. That's a good one. Oh, nothing on that one. Come on, give us those trophies. Trophies, trophies, trophies. Three more. One more. Good trigger. Not too good, but I'll take it. Still playing the machine on the $200, so I'm up and down for the last hour and so I'm doing pretty good. Alright, see you guys at the next bonus. Okay guys, so I just hit the trophies and let's see what else it gives us. Come on, trophies. Drop that major. My goodness. That thing has to hit. And I hope it hits with us. Keep dropping them. Keep dropping them. Even that minor would be nice. Trifecta would be nice. All these years and I have never hit a trifecta. One more. This is a good one. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Good one. Heck yeah. I needed that. $2,800. I will love that sound. Alright guys, I will see you at the next bonus. Hey guys, I got a bonus again. And I'm playing the machine beside me. And I got a bonus on that one too. So let's see, let's play this one first. Here we go. All right, there's $250. Come on. I feel like I'm cooking. Come on, guys. Get straight. There we go. One more. Here we go. One more. Oh, there we go. Heck yeah. Okay, good one. Cover them all. Cover them all. One more. Ooh, baby. Oh, that would be a blessing. I don't see it in there. It's 117,000. It was a drop. Heck yeah. Let's go back over here and start this bonus. Here we go. Let's go. See what we get here. I'll tell you how much we want. I'll show you. It goes all the way through. $875 on a $5 bet. That's good. Heck yeah. Something good. Ooh, those trophies blocked us. Give us those trophies. Two more spins. Ooh, retrigger. Oh, retrigger. We got 5 more. It used to be that you got 10, but you only get 5 now. But that's good. As long as it gives us something. Ooh. $948. Heck yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one.